Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you an amazing logo. I think you could guess what is the logo. This is the football club's PSG logo. Which clubs brought Messi? In this logo, I am using some new tricks that I have not shared before. So, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First we make a golden ratio. For that, take a rectangle tool, and draw a square. Copy the square by hold Alt and place the squad downward. Again take a rectangle tool and draw a square equal to the 2 square. Make another square like that. Okay, that's good. Now we draw circles in every square. Selected these circles and make it a line center. Now delete these square. Okay, now we make a PSG logo by using golden ratio. Select these 2 circle and copy it by hold Alt. Now increase the stroke of these circles. Select this circle, and copy it another. For that, go to Edit and select Copy, again go to Edit and paste in place. Make the circle bigger like that. Now send the red circle back like that. Now copy the circle by hold Alt. Copy another circle by hold Alt. Selected 2 circles, and make it group. Upward this a little bit like that. Okay, now select these circles, and take Shape Builder tool, and remove the extra parts like that. Selected this, and increase the stroke. Okay, that's good. Now copy this circle by hold Alt, and place here like that. Before place the circle, make all objects group. Now place the circle here. Upward the circle a little bit. Now copy the circle. Make the circle smaller like that. Downward the small circle a little bit. Now select all objects, and take Line Segment tool, and draw a line in middle of the circle. Now select all and make it middle align center. Okay, that's good. Again select all objects, and go to Object and select Path and then click Outline Stroke. Now take Shape Builder tool, and draw like that what I'm doing. Do it carefully. Now use original color of PSG. Okay, that's good. Now we draw the design, but this design is really difficult to draw. So keep watching carefully. First copy the circle by hold Alt. Again copy the circle by hold Alt like that. Watch carefully what I'm doing. Now take line segment tool, and draw lines like that. You have to understand where you draw line, and what is your design. Now select all objects, and take Shape Builder tool, and draw like that. Now carve every corner like that. Now take line segment tool, and draw a line. Select the line, and click Transform, and make it 110 degree. Now click right button of mouse and select Transform and then select Reflect. Select this and group it. Now copy another of it by hold Alt. Select it all, and take Shape Builder tool, and draw it. Okay, that's good. Now carve this shape corner. Copy this shape by this method. Carefully watching what I'm doing. Okay, select it all and group it. I have finally designed this. Now place this design perfect place like that. Okay, that's look good. Now we add text on this logo. Copy the circle by hold Alt. Now select Type tool and select Type on the Path tool. Click here, and type your text. I typed Paris. Increase the font size. Also increase the letter space. Carefully place the Paris in middle like that. Okay, that's good. Now we add another text on this logo. For that, we follow previous method. Type here your text. Make it smaller, bigger like that you need. Place this text perfect place carefully like that. Okay, that's fine. We have finally designed PSG logo. So friends, what's the next logo do you want? So thank you for your attention. I hope I helped with this video. So don't forget to comment with valuable information that you find it. Push the like button and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in another video.